hybridization. So what actually is this is basically mixing of atomic orbitals. As we have discussed that what are orbitals? Those are s, px, py, pz, those are the atomic orbitals. So hybridization is totally that mixing of atomic orbitals, right? And now here the question arises why we do hybridization. हम hybridization करते ही क्यों हैं? Atoms do hybridization. Atoms hybridization करते हैं why? To increase their bond ability. बॉन्ड की एबिलिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए ये हाइब्रिडाइजेशन करते हैं क्योंकि वो उनकी बॉन्ड की एबिलिटी क्या हो बढ़े. ओके. एंड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कैन ओनली अकर ऑन द एक्साइटिंग स्टेट. अब जो ग्राउंड स्टेट में होगा उसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एक्साइटेड स्टेट, देन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन टेक प्लेस. Hybridized, the atoms which are hybridized repel each other to make a shape. एक दूसरे को रिपेल कर कर जो हाइब्राइज्ड हो गए हैं एटम्स वो क्या करते हैं एक दूसरे को रिपेल कर कर एक शेप दे देते हैं. So let's discuss ये कैसे होता है. Okay. So here first of all we have what? Now here we have the geometrical orbits. First of all we're gonna discuss about the geometry. Geometry. So for that first of all we have sp, and here as you can see in the s orbital we have ratio 1 and p orbital ratio 1. So this means 1 ratio 1, and after that when 1 ratio 1 1 ratio they will combine, they will form 2. Okay. So 2 is here what? Hybridization. 2 is what? 2 is here hybridization. Fine. After that what will happen? After that here the geometry will form. For suppose here we have 1 ratio 1 means one circle another circle. This is ratio between them, and when they combine together they form a geometry, and here the geometry is linear geometry. Linear geometry at the angle of what? As you can see here which is angle is formed. So here 180 angle is formed. Right now I'm gonna tell you only geometry. After that we will see the shapes how these are formed actually. Okay. Here we have another orbit that is sp². Now how this is formed? Here you can see s ratio is 1 while p ratio is 2. When they will combine they will form 3. And here 3 is what? Here 3 is hybridization. After that, for suppose here we have now 3 dots, right? Here we have now 3 dots. 1 dot, 2, 3. When these 3 combine together, the structure they form that is trigonal. The structure they form that is tri sorry that is trigonal. Trigonal structure बनाते हैं. After that they make at the angle of 120 degree angle. कौन से एंगल पर बनाते हैं? 120 degree angle पर. Okay. Now here we have third orbit that is sp3, and here the s ratio is 1, p ratio is 3. When they will combine they will form 4, and here 4 is what? 4 is hybridization. After that they will, for suppose here we have 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, combine like that, and when they'll combine, sorry, they will combine like that and they will form the structure that is tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure, and at the angle of what? At the angle of 109.5 angle पर. ठीक है. After that Hopefully these all geometry is clear to you. Now these were what hybridized. Now let me tell you about the ground state and excited state. Okay. So here I'm gonna tell you about the ground state. So suppose here I'm gonna take the carbon atom, right? So here the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2p, 2pz. Fine. And here now we're gonna give that, we can say, spin 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6, as carbon has 6 atomic number, like this. So this is in the ground state. Let's talk about the exciting state. 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2p, 2pz. Here what will happen? This 2 will give one spin to Z1. 2 will give one spin to Z1. Here 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. 6 are equal. After that, how the hybridization does take place? Here we have sp, 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 sp. Like this, now they have the same energy. Same energy. And as we know that hybridization can be formed when they have nearby same energy, nearby or totally same energy, right? So here the hybridization will take place either sp2, sp1 or sp3. Hopefully